In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation with an add-on called Molecular Script. Let's create a plane. Scale it, duplicate it with Shift, D, and type G and Z to move the duplicated one slightly above the original one. I'll go to Edit mode and add 25 subdivision cuts to the duplicated plane, and apply a wireframe modifier like this. I'll add a plane and a metaball. Let's select the top plane, and add a particle emitter that uses the metaball as its object. That animation looks good, but how do we make each particle collide and move away from one another? We need the Molecular Script add-on for that. Put a checkmark on this molecular category to activate it. Change the settings, and click a button called Start Molecular Simulation to see the preview. This was the default particle animation, and I'll show you what happens when we activate the particle collision. Let me increase the particle size a bit first. There we go. Use the damping setting to control the collision strength. Please use the ESC key to stop the animation first, and press the Free All Bakes button to reset the molecular settings. If we don't hit the ESC key, the animation cannot be cancelled. Let's add a collision physics for the ground. We must reset the molecular setting first. That looks fantastic. Please use Eevee with bloom turned on. Let's add some emission shaders. Please experiment with the molecular settings to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.